All right, what's going on, everybody? Today is August 28th, 2018. What's pretty interesting is about 10 days ago on this chart breakdown that I did right here, chart breakdown number 24 on Bitcoin, August 17th, I explained that the last time that these indicators crossed, the SMA and EMA cross, price started to push up. So I figured, since price is literally at the same point right here, where the SMA and EMA are crossing up, then it'll probably do it again. And also, probably the biggest thing is the fact that price is literally at this major level of support and it has been broken. And if it is broken, then Bitcoin is going on a long ride down. But right here, you can see this level of support that's literally being respected over and over and over. But then this trend line was formed over here. So I figured, if being the fact that this right here, SMA and EMA was crossed, then it should start to push up. And that's exactly what happened. What's pretty interesting is I put in my buy. For a point in time, I was in a negative, right? But I was cool, right? And, price continued to push up, push up, push up. My take profit number one is literally about to get hit, which is about 71.20. Literally about to get hit right now. And the next take profit is a little higher at this point right here. So let me see how many pips I'm up right now. About, I don't know if this is 4,790, which I'm pretty sure it is because I'm up about that. So yeah, so 4,700 I'm up right now, based upon when I got in. So somewhere around there, yeah, about 4,000 something pips. But the next push is right here, which is going to be pretty cool. So if anything, go ahead and check out that last video that I put up. If anything, you'll be able to actually see my first analysis and where it was and where it is now. So greatly appreciate your time. Go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment to see if you looking for any other videos in the future. As far as where I believe this is going to go after, if price passes through this trend line right here, then that's one thing. If price bounces off here and then starts pushing down, then that's another thing. I see going back to this daily, probably even passing that to continue its way down, which would be pretty interesting for Bitcoin. But we'll see how this goes. So greatly appreciate your time, and I'll see you guys soon.